Hello everyone, I'm in my workshop, but things aren't looking the way they're supposed to be. The reason I have all these tools lying on my floor is my granddad actually sent these to me, and if you're watching, thank you so much, Granddad. These were his tools that he doesn't use much anymore, so we got them shipped from South Africa, and now I have them. I'm so glad that I got these because I don't have to cut everything with this damn circular saw. So the heart of my tools is this Metabo table saw. I think it's 1.5 horsepower. Job site contractor style saw. It's built like a rock. The top is aluminium. The sides are also I think steel. It comes with this 10-inch blade and the riving knife, and I want to put in a 7.25-inch blade, so I'll have to replace it. The fence is pretty good. So I got this, the heart of my tools is this Metabo 10-inch table saw, and I'll use this for pretty much everything. It's got a good reference on it. It's really good quality and I like it. I've spent the past couple of hours putting the legs onto this table saw while I was lying on the ground, and then I erected this bad boy, and I cleaned and lubricated all of the parts. Now it works like a well-oiled machine, literally. So right now I've got the miter gauge attachment on. And here's the rip fence. The next big tool I got was this Triton 15-inch beast of a thickness planer. So, like, that's huge. Also, I have assembled the planer stand, but I can't put the planer on it yet because I'll need some help, because the handles are like 1 meter apart and it weighs like 55 kilograms, so yeah. Then I got this small router table with this Bosch plunge router, and that's the last of the big tools. Then I got, way over there, that's a Makita cordless drill. Here it is. The batteries are dead and they no longer work, and these batteries aren't available in Australia, which is sad. And it comes with accessories. Another tool that I got was this electric cordless staple gun for like upholstery and stuff, which is awesome. What else? This Ryobi biscuit joiner. I've always wanted one of those. Oh, one of my favorites, Bosch 10-inch angle grinder. Built like a beast. Also, I got this Makita electric screwdriver. Another one of my favorites, this DeWalt hammer drill. Built like a hacker beast. Then there's this huge woodworker's vise. I have to be careful not to trip over. Okay. This massive drill press vise. And under my drill press, which I already had, I've got a Ryobi orbital sander, which I'll show you now. Okay, a bit tricky to open one-handed. This insane Ryobi orbital sander. Oh my gosh. To be honest, that's, I think, the first time I've opened it. That's all the power tools. Then there's just a bunch of miscellaneous items like this, taper reamer. Not really sure what to use that for. This hollow chisel mortise chisel. A bunch of staples. The charger for something. And a lot of sockets. I just opened this hella broken case and I found this sweet pair of calipers. It's nice to have a bunch of miscellaneous sockets that I can use for anything. What's this? Oh, cool. Metal files. Oh, yo. Sunglasses. Best tool ever. Can be like super cool now. That's my favorite tool. That's my cat. The only thing left to do with these tools is to replace the plugs. Thanks everyone for watching. It's been awesome having these tools here, and it's nice to show them to someone. And I'd like to say thank you to my granddad who sent me all of these tools. Thanks for watching. See you next time.